So I ended up getting the headlights on. I had to solder these wires right here to use this connector for some reason, because these headlights aren't OEM, I guess, which freaking sucks. But it's all good. They ended up working. I ended up just heat shrinking this. That's what I was kind of doing in the sped up part of the video, working on these. But yeah, just need to get the turn signals. That's what these are for. And the left turn signal, left headlights all hooked up and everything. Looks good. Yeah, so headlights are on. I'm debating on putting LEDs in here because I'm not a fan of the halogen lights. I think they're just so outdated. They work, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if I want to put the extra money for LEDs. But I mean, bike's turning out really good. Everything's coming along smoothly. Just waiting on the front turn signals, the tail light, the fairings, of course, the exhaust, the mid pipe for the exhaust. And I think that should be it. That should be a majority of all the things I'm waiting on. But yeah, looks good, and see you in the next video. See ya!